Hey guys, Richard here. So my buddy Ron and I just made some adjustments to the Meet One Breeze, and we just took the bottom bracket off of the premium seat so the seat would lower down a little bit, and he thinks he likes it better that way. There he goes.
6 miles an hour, you can do a donut.
I know it. It's great, isn't it? He's having a good time cutting donuts in the street. You like that seat better?
Yeah.
He likes the seat better, he said, with that bracket off. So that's kind of interesting. So the bracket, yeah, I guess you can use it with the Tour.
You can turn this thing on a dime.
I know. That's the great thing about the darn thing. It's just so stable. Yeah, so anyway, taking that bracket off, it lowered it a couple of inches. And so now the seat, instead of using the bracket, the seat is mounted directly to the frame itself. So it lowers it a little bit. For me, for being 6'1", I feel like I'm a little too close to the pedal still because my knees come up a little too tall.
I'm actually going to slide up more.
How tall are you?
5'10".
So, and he's 5'10", and he's saying it's perfect for him. In fact, he just scooted his seat forward a little bit. Or me, I like having my seat in a very, very back position. So there he is, man. He's gone. He is gone down the street. Yeah, buddy, he likes that one a lot. He liked the Tour a lot when we first got the Tour, and he was thinking hard about buying the Tour, right? So he could have one too. But now he's like, no, hey, Richard, I kind of like this one better. Who knows? He may end up with it. When we're done making videos for Meet One, of course. Yes. We do. And we're always having fun.
It's working.
It's working.
You need to try it.
I'm gonna try. Hey, I'm gonna go try it.
Let me back